Hello and welcome to free tutorials from Karen Blake Academy, part of Karen Blake Coaching's online learning. Now today we're going to learn how to add a signature to your Microsoft Outlook email. So let's get started. Firstly, open Microsoft Outlook. Once open, you'll see in the top left hand side where it says File. Let's click on that. And at the bottom of the screen under Feedback, you'll see where it says Options. Let's click on that and it'll bring up the Options menu. Let's click on Mail, and on the right hand side, the third one down, Signatures. Let's click on there. Okay, so we want to create a new signature, so click New. Keep your signature a name. It doesn't really matter what you put in here, it's just for your own reference. Okay, once that's done, we're now in the Edit Signature panel, and this is where you type out what you want your signature to be. For this tutorial, I'm just going to do a quick signature that I use on most of my emails. Now if you want to put your email address in your signature, once you type it out, Outlook will automatically convert it to a hyperlink, just like that. Okay, as you can see, it's also created a hyperlink for the website. So let's click OK. Our signature is done. Okay, so the signature is now done. Let's have a look. So click on New Email in the top left, and there we have it. Just as we typed in the signature settings, that's how it will appear at the bottom of all your emails. Let's run through that again quickly. So we click on File, then at the bottom we click on Options, then Mail, and on the right hand side onto Signatures. And that's it. That's how you create an email signature in Microsoft Outlook. If you have any requests for free tutorials, drop us a line at karenblakecoaching.com and we'll see what we can do. Thank you.